Welcome to this episode of Around the Huh. Around the Huh? Alright, when we do Around the World, this is what we call it. And every time we do this, every year, somebody goes, huh? Around the what? And what it means is when you have a whole number and a fraction, and you're working with something that you need just a basic fraction, you have to go around the fraction and whole number so that you get an improper fraction. The whole process is just to turn this into something that looks like this. Okay? So we're going to start with this bottom number, and it's this times this. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5, and we keep this bottom number, so we have 5 over 2. And again, we do this when we need something that looks like this, because we can't do anything when we've got the whole number and a fraction. Okay? That's why we do this. Now, let's talk about what it means, because sometimes we get confused with what it's doing. If I have 2 wholes and 1/2 of something, then I have 2 wholes and a half of something. Okay? So here's my half, and I have 2 wholes. I need to put this as an improper fraction. So I need to put total pieces over the kind of piece. Let's say kind. It's kind of hard to understand, and it's kind of weird to explain. And what I mean by that is we have halves. That's my type of piece. I have halves of a cake. I need to know how many halves I have. And if I were to divide these other pieces in 2 halves, then I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves. I'm not changing how much either of these is. This is 2.5, and this is still 2.5. It's just saying it 2 different ways. Going around the world is just like doing this, except you don't have to draw it out.